So I'm thinking Super Bowl next Sunday. Let's keep it simple, let's keep it easy, and let's keep it fresh. Hey, ChefD here for Bothwell cheese. Spicy dill pickle cheese. This cheese is amazing. I have so much fun with this. So we're gonna take a little bit of tomato sauce. I have a par-cooked pizza shell. We're gonna take a little bit of our pizza sauce. Then we're gonna take about a cup of the spicy dill pickle cheese. Put a little bit aside so that it has a chance to melt. What goes really well with dill pickles? Right, bacon. So we're gonna add some bacon to our pizza, and it goes 400 degrees. No baking sheet, because you want it to crisp up underneath. In 5 minutes, we have pizza. Remember chef hands, so we're gonna take this out, and you have a perfect pizza. Spicy, smoky greatness. For these recipes and a whole lot more, check out bothwellcheese.com.